This 2025 Airstream International 30 RBT Twin is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 31 feet 2 inches in length and features a Seashell, coastal cove interior, sleeps 6, water heater, air conditioning, refrigerator, LP detector, DVD player, external shower, oven, awning, auxiliary battery, TV, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream International 30 RBT Twin is 6,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.